This sun is not, and I have my blinds closed. That's what's sad. I don't know. It's like I'm in the Matrix. Do I need to relocate? Does moving this light help? No, not at all. That's all the sun. What to do? Should I just wait until the sun goes down to do this intro? Probably. Either that or just move. I almost feel like this might be cute, but I definitely have to see it. Why are you trying to play me? When you play me, you play yourself, son. I'm joking. Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Shumuriel. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Unless it's your first time here, then hi, I'm Shumuriel, and thank you for stopping by. I'm recording today's intro differently than what I normally do because, as y'all saw in the previous clips, the sun is not in the best place for me to sit where I normally sit to do my intro. It kind of played me during the video, which you'll see, but whatever. So here I am doing the intro with my little handheld tripod. I created this look using mostly Fenty products. The video is going to be a combination of voiceover / me talking. During the parts where there's a voiceover, I'm listening to music and I'm able to move a little faster when I have some music going as opposed to me talking all the time. So this is Fenty. I have Fenty primer, foundation, concealer, Fenty lip, Fenty highlighter. So everything but the eyes. I don't have any Fenty eyeshadow palettes, but it's okay. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. And yeah, be sure to comment and subscribe. Thank you. I meant to put on the concealer, then do my foundation, but I forgot. That's something new I decided I wanted to try. But yeah, I forgot. So this is the foundation and this is the concealer in the shade 370. And I'm gonna put more on just because I always look tired. I want to try those little sponges that she came out with. And I'm just using a Morphe R33 brush to blend it in. I'm 90% positive this brush is for your eyes. And I don't know if it would be better blended with a sponge. I'm not much of a sponge user. I prefer brushes. I did used to have the hazelnut powder, but I personally thought it was too dark for me. So I went to Sephora and exchanged it for honey. And this looks as though it'll work. So this will be a true first impression situation. Oh, it came with this little thing. How did I... Totally missed that with the first thing. What is this for? I don't know. Maybe it's an extra. Okay, so I'm going to blend my concealer a little more and then use my little sponge here to set it. I'm gonna get a little more out though. This is what honey looks like. So I think this is the route I should have taken the first go round, but I was going off the swatches online, and plus by what they suggested, they said that this was a good setting powder for shades. I think it said 300 to 400, I'm not certain. And since I'm in the 300 category, that's what I got. Because I wasn't necessarily interested in brightening, but I'm trying to. And I told myself, oh yeah, this is much better. I told myself I was going to stop baking like this, but I tend to get oily more and sooner if I don't. So I'm just going to brush honey over the rest of my face. Oh, well, not with the lid check on, right? I like how the powder feels between my fingers. It's very finely milled, I guess is a good description. To give y'all a quick update while I was doing my eyes. I am noticing, I'm gonna get close, prepared. I am noticing a bit of creasing even after I said that's not a big deal to me, but I know it might be to other people. So yep, I just knocked a lot of shit over. So it's only been a few minutes, so just be prepared for that. It's not a lot, but it's happening. So what you just saw me apply was it's a Fairy Bomb shimmer powder. To see how the eyes are looking in terms of creasing. I'm gonna come close again. I'll let you be the judge of what you see in terms of creasing. So it does do it a little bit, so just be prepared for that. Like I said, it's not bad, but to say that it doesn't. Oop, yep, just knocked that over. Had a little bit of eyeshadow fall out. So now what's about to happen, I think that the uncensored Stunna lip paint is too bright for me. So I usually try to apply some kind of deep berry lip liner to kind of counteract what I think is the brightness of the red. So I'm taking, what's this, Vino? Vino by MAC. And I don't typically use lip liners, but they come in handy for occasions such as this. This sun is not wanting me to be great at all. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. You probably can't either, anyway because of the sun. So I will say this, all in all, I do like the powder. Again, I'm in the shade Honey. I initially had the shade Hazelnut, and that was too dark for me. I wear the foundation in the shade 370, so if you're close to my skin tone and you're thinking about getting Hazelnut, I would advise that you get Honey instead. So I went and exchanged those. As far as the concealer, I'm not a big concealer wearer. I do have them. I more so use them for highlighting, and the occasional, you know, trying to cover up any blemishes and stuff. But I typically prefer for my foundation to do all the work as opposed to my concealer and my foundation doing all the work. But as I said, it does crease, so just keep that in mind. But I do think, you know, it's creamy. The coverage seems to be pretty good, like I said, with the exception of the creasing. I just don't want people to be like, just keep that in mind. Again, I do like the powder. I like how it feels on my skin. I like how it feels between my fingers. And overall, I am a Fenty supporter, as you can probably tell. So would I recommend the concealer? Definitely don't think it's something you have to have in your life. To me, the foundation is fine on its own. I mean, it does a good job, all things considered, considering it's a concealer, but I definitely don't think it's something you need in your life. I do like the foundation, and as I said before, I tend to like for my foundation to do all of the work. And I do think the powder does a good job as of right now. So, you know, I'm not like, go get it now. I'm not like that about that. So take it or leave it. This is very helpful, I'm sure. But yeah, obviously I'm gonna continue to use it because I bought it. But I don't think it's something you desperately need in your life. So thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Be sure to like it and comment and subscribe if you're not. And until my next video, I'll see you later. Bye.